Ministry. This is the Deputy Chief of Staff of Europe. Hi. Thank you. Welcome to our ministry. Nice seeing you. This is the Deputy Chief of Staff.
How are you? So good to see you.
Good morning, President Morris, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to welcome you now in the Ministry of Defense from the strong, continued and consistent US-Macedonian partnership. Let me tell you that if I analyze the equipment is top-notch, we cannot say that we can compete in the area of technology, but when it comes to people, I think that Macedonia has something to offer. And this was made possible because fighting side by side with the US Army in Iraq, currently in Afghanistan, and our dedication to support NATO-led missions have been there since the beginning. So more than 4,000 men and women, advisors now during the Afghani elections, and we have also made district forces. We have supported the NATO-led mission in Iraq, but especially now in Afghanistan, our government has started its mandate by increasing to these kinds of military-to-military programs, both in terms of education provided through the different kinds of US programs aimed at defense, and it is a huge contribution to the capacity